Engineer Georgette Gonzalez.
Thank you, Arlen. Can you give a round of applause for Arlen? Good evening. To some people, it's morning. To some of you, it's good morning. Well, in network marketing or in business, we always greet each other as morning because normally morning represents hope. And whenever it's the sunrise, we always feel like, you know, we have all the energy to survive the whole day. That's why in this business, every time we try to open our business opportunity, explain it to a lot of people, we always greet each other good morning. So with that again, I'd like to greet each and every one of you a pleasant good morning.
Good morning.
It's a bit unusual and uncomfortable to a lot of you because it's already about dinner time and we're talking about morning. Well, it's nice to be here in front of you and speak a bit about my experience in network marketing or in business. But before I even begin my orientation or my sharing for tonight, let me give you a brief background on how I came to make this kind of business. I got involved into this business about 14 years ago. So I joined a network marketing company about 14 years ago. I was 21 years old. So that gives you an idea how young I am now. I'm 27. So at that time, I had a very good friend that after graduation, we never saw each other for quite some time after we graduated from a university in the Philippines. By the way, I came from a very poor family. Back home, I was a working student just to survive and, you know, finish my studies in college. So I had a very good friend that this friend of mine also happens to be a working student at the time. He was actually a driver of a public utility vehicle we call jeepney in the Philippines. I don't know if some of you here knows what a jeepney is. A jeepney is like an extended jeep, okay? Open, both sides, with sides open, and all the commuters, because in the Philippines we don't have that efficient MRT railway system. No? So what we use are jeepneys or public bus or buses. So my friend, just to survive or sustain his studies at that time, he was actually driving this jeep, okay, in the highways, etc. So one day after graduation, he called me up and he was very excited at the other end of the phone, telling me that he saw a very nice opportunity and he wanted it to share with me. So because for me, for all time's sake, I wanted to see him to catch things up because we never saw each other for quite some time after we graduated. So I told him, okay, June, let's see each other. And by the way, he told me, George, I would treat you for dinner tonight. So, of course, excitedly, I told him, okay, June. His name was June. So we saw each other. He treated me at Pizza Hut. We ate some pizzas and everything, catching things up and everything. And you know what's amazing about that? After we ate, he told the waiter to give the check and he paid already. And after that, he told me, George, let's go up and let's attend a seminar. As soon as I heard the word seminar, my vision got blurred. It went dark. Okay? You know why? Because I did not like attending seminars. Because for me, seminars are boring. Some seminars in the Philippines, you attend seminars and at the end of the seminar, they sell you something, they oblige you to buy something. So for me, as far as seminars are concerned, it's a no-no for me. But then again, because he paid for our dinner, then I got no choice. I feel obliged to really attend. Okay? I hope your sponsors did not do that to you tonight. Okay? Or some of you, did your sponsors, pay for your dinner tonight? Okay. So you're obliged to listen for the next, maybe about 3 hours. No. We're not going to take much of your time. So what happened was that I attended a seminar, a network marketing company. There was a speaker, she was a foreigner, came from Taiwan, to explain the marketing plan and the products of that network marketing company. As soon as I saw the products, ladies and gentlemen, my mind was very much close-minded to direct selling because I did not like selling products. But then my friend invited me, was very excited. Whenever the speaker says something nice, guess what? My sponsor, my friend, claps his hand. He's very excited. And whenever the speaker says something nice, my sponsor, my friend again, claps his hands. So I think he was crazy, no? Something happened to him. What kind of food did this company give my friend to feel like this? So at the end of the seminar, to cut it short, to cut the long story short, I called my friend, June, go ahead and do this business. If you become rich, just come back and see me. And he told me, no, George, let's try this business. We're gonna make money. I told him, June, no, I don't like selling. You know what he said to me? No, George, let's just try this. We're gonna make money. I told him, it's not the cup of my tea, it's not my line. You know what he said? No, George, let's try this. We're gonna make money. All I heard was, we're gonna make money, we're gonna make money, we're gonna make money. Then I asked him, are you making money already in this business? You know what he said? No, but the speaker said, we're gonna make money. He told me. So, after that, I told him, June, I'm sorry, I'm busy with my work. At that time, I was engaged with energy development programs back home. I was actually part of design of power plants. So for me, I'm directed actually into a very good career in the future. So, my mindset was just to work hard and, probably by working hard, I can get my dreams. So, June went to do his networking business while I went to continue my job. You know what happened? Why I suddenly joined this company, or why did I suddenly join network marketing? This friend of mine, very good friend of mine, my best friend when we were in college, came back to see me after 7 months. And he was practically driving a brand new car. Just only about 7 months. When I saw his car, my mind became very clear. Because he was driving his own car, while I'm still at that point in my life where I have nothing. So as soon as I saw his car, even though I don't like selling, when I saw his car, I told him, June, whatever you are selling, I will join you. I will not now sell. Because for me, that was a result at the time. And, the second time, he told me to attend the second time around. And the second time, I attended the orientation of that network marketing company. After the orientation, I told him, June, why did you not persist in telling me that this is actually good? You know what he told me? George, what you saw about 7 months ago is the same. It's such that this time, you like this opportunity now because this time, you are more open-minded. The mind is like a parachute. It is best used when it is open. It's like your hand that if it's closed, you cannot pick anything. So for me, for the next maybe about 1.5 hours, just try to listen to what we are going to tell you. Because for me, when I did this business and I decided that I will join this business, I kept my daytime job. It doesn't mean you have to leave your job or you have to leave your business. This is something like it's just a supplemental income, additional income, extra income. You can keep your daytime job, like what I did. I kept my daytime job. At night, I was doing this business. In less than 3 months, ladies and gentlemen, my story was already different. Because after 3 months doing this business, I made money, I wanted to resign from my work. And I contemplated, that was about 14 years ago. Anyway, I told myself, I was 21 years old. If I do this business full-time, then I'm still very young. In case something happens to this business, I can still go back to employment. That very moment, I told myself, I'm gonna fire my boss and do network marketing full-time. So, after that, I never looked back anymore because what happened to me for the last 14 years is that in this business, I was able to realize my dreams. At a very young age, I was able to get what I want in life. And tonight, those are the things I want to share with you for the next maybe about 1 hour. And I got involved in this company, Alliance in Motion Global, about 4 months ago. Because as I'm, currently, they rendered my services as a consultant right now. I'm a training development manager of this company that I'm going to share with you tonight. But before anything else, before I even begin, let me have my clicker first, gentlemen. Yung ating clicker. Okay? So what is our company? Are you still there? I feel so silent. I can I can clearly feel your breathing. If I do it like that, okay? Alright? Okay, our company is Alliance in Motion Global. Okay? We are a marketing company conceptualized to provide a much quality distribution of exceptional products and services to local and global markets. Like what I've said earlier, we're actually now in Brunei and Singapore, and we've been in negotiations with a lot of countries outside the Philippines. It was founded by 3 young leaders. Our president is Dr. Eduardo Cabanco. We call him the visionary president, because having the vision to actually put this company about 4 years ago, in partnership with engineer Francis Miguel and Raymond Jan Ascarin. Okay, these are 3 owners of this company. Locally, we are duly recognized by the Philippine Securities and Exchange Commission with this SEC registration number. Of course, in Singapore, we cannot operate legally without, of course, your government allowing us to operate. So that's why, even before I can speak here in front of you, of course, we are actually duly recognized by the Singaporean government, being so strict in regulatory, scrutinization, if there's such a word. Okay? We have dedicated itself to seeking out nature's best sources for health and beauty and sharing them to the whole world. These are actually the awards that we got back home in the Philippines. Okay? Our product, we are actually an exclusive distributor of this product we call Complete Phyto Energizer. Worldwide and made to the traditionally high standards of Nature's Way. We are the exclusive distributor of Nature's Way product. Nature's Way happens to be an American company, which is the #1 premium herbal company in the States right now. So together with Nature's Way and Alliance in Motion Global, in partnership, we're trying to push, or we're trying to share the good or the wonderful effects of these products to the whole market. Initially in the Philippines. But then again, because the Philippines is expanding and there's a lot of people who are able to get well better with our products, that's why we're trying to expand right now outside the Philippines. Nature's Way, ladies and gentlemen, is a company which is debt-free. It has been in operation for the last 45 years. They have more than about 500 product lines in the States. Okay? US FDA approved. We are halal and kosher. They have more than about 201 medical doctors, herbalists, and scientists. They put enough investment in extensive research and development. It is the #1 food supplement herbal company in the States right now. And they have their products happens to have the highest ORAC value available in the market. ORAC means oxygen radical absorbance capacity. Okay? ORAC scale and antioxidant capacity. The USDA researchers at Tufts University in Boston have developed a new laboratory to test to measure the oxygen radical absorption capacity of different foods and natural substances. By ORAC value, we mean this is actually the scale or measurement of the antioxidant content of any food supplements. We know for a fact that, antioxidants are really good in, defending our system, boosting our immune system, strengthening our immune system. But then again, a lot of people, especially with the food supplement industry, all they say is that, our products have high antioxidant content. Actually, antioxidant content is an obsolete value anymore already, because what people use now to scale or measure the antioxidant content of any food supplement is known as the ORAC value. By the way, what is an antioxidant? Antioxidants are substances or nutrients in our food which can prevent or slow the oxidative damage to our body. So antioxidant just means it's our substances in our body that helps our body fight off, especially those toxins that come inside our body from pollution, smoke, from free radicals, carcinogen, and all those things. Unfortunately, by the time we reach 30, the antioxidant contents or the antioxidants in our body begins to deplete. It actually decreases by the time we age 30. That's why the World Health Organization, the American Association of Dietitians, including the National Cancer Institute, recommends that for us to maintain the antioxidant in our body, at least we have to eat 5 kinds of fruits and 5 kinds of vegetables. Unfortunately, with the kind of lifestyle that we have right now, Can you honestly say that you can eat actually 5 kinds of foods, 5 kinds of vegetables every day? Who can honestly say that they can eat 5 kinds of vegetables and 5 kinds of fruits every day? Of course, we cannot do that anymore because of the lifestyle. I mean, we eat normally at the fast food because we're actually rushing for the break and the lunch break and go back to the office. And it's impractical to actually bring fruits and vegetables in your bag and eat it in the office. So that's why food supplements are created. Okay? Now, complete, ladies and gentlemen, we are very proud to tell you that it contains daily essential like 16,000 phytonutrients, 29 vitamins, minerals, and trace minerals, 12 fruit juice blend, 12 whole vegetable juice blend, 18 amino acids. There are known 21 amino acids that the body needs. The complete Phyto Energizer contains about 18 amino acids. Super green foods, mushrooms, enzymes, herbs, and essential fatty acids. So let me explain it further. Okay? The 12 whole fruit juice blend that Nature's Way use actually are plum, the berry family like cranberry, blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, bilberry, cherry, apricot, papaya, orange, grape, and pineapple. So all these fruits are very high. They have all high contents of antioxidants. Cranberry alone is known to be an antibiotic. It's actually good for women with reproductive problems, especially with UTI. This is a natural antibiotic, natural diuretic. Okay? So orange. Okay? Why do we say fruit or whole fruit juice blend? Whole, the word whole. You know why? Because we use the whole fruit. The Nature's Way company uses the whole fruit, not just the inside, but including the skin, including the seed inside. Because by study and research, the antioxidant content of any fruit is actually high at the skin or at the seed. But that's why Nature's Way use the whole fruit. And in terms of vegetable, we use 12 whole vegetable juice blend. What are those vegetables? Okay, parsley, kale, spinach. Even when I was young, I already know that spinach is good because I was watching Popeye most of the time. And Popeye, when he ever eats spinach, okay, you know what he does or what he did to Brutus. Okay, wheatgrass. Okay, wheatgrass, some people they actually blend it and make it as a juice. Brussels, asparagus, broccoli, cauliflower, beet, carrot, cabbage, and garlic. Again, garlic is known to have a natural antibiotic. Even before penicillin was created, penicillin was ever discovered, at the time, people used garlic as an antibiotic because it has an anisinin content, which is known to be an immune system booster. So all these fruits are all these vegetables are actually in our complete Phyto Energizer capsule. What else? 8. We have 18 amino acids. We have 14 super green foods and spirulina blend. You know, when I was young, my teacher in science always tells us that the green pigmentation of any plant is called what? Chlorophyll. And chlorophyll used to be, that pigmentation that actually makes the plant or vegetable green. But later on, research and studies show that actually chlorophyll contains high content of antioxidants. So what does our Nature's Way use? Spirulina, alfalfa. Spirulina are actually blue algae found underneath the most waters or oceans. Dandelion and leaf, melissa leaf, chlorella, lemongrass, and barley grass. All high in chlorophyll. Again, these plants are all in our Phyto Energizer capsule known as Complete. What else? Okay, we have 12 kinds of mushrooms. You know, mushrooms, okay, happens to have, again, high content of antioxidants. We use this cordyceps, reishi. Among this family, reishi is the most popular, especially in Japan. Okay, shiitake, hiratake, maitake, yamabushitake. Okay, I won't mention anything anymore because, in Japan, they call mushroom taki. That's why the last 4 letters always taki. Okay? What else? We have 12 digestive enzymes. These enzymes are known to be probiotics. It helps in the cleansing of our internal organs, especially the intestines, the large intestines. So that's why our products complete are very good for people who have constipation, who have a hard time passing motion, Those people who just, have this bowel movement once a week, that's very good for them. If you know some people who experience like that, give them or share with them the benefit of this product. We have 12 herbs and specialty nutrients. We have 10 essential fatty acids. These fatty acids are very essential for the cell membrane. All in all, ladies and gentlemen, these are all in just one capsule of our Phyto Energizer known as Complete. So it is taken at least once a day if you don't feel anything, like you just want to be energized. Okay? But if you feel something, if you have any illnesses or whatever, you can take it like twice a day. Depending upon the dosage, you can take it like 3 times a day. Some people, if their case is like, early stages of diabetes, early stages of cancer, they take it like twice, 3 times a day. So that's about 6 capsules. But the good about this product is that it has no side effects because it is treated as a food supplement. Being food supplement, it's just like any food. So that's why if you're taking any medicine or drugs, it will have no contraindication. Or it has no side effects, overdosage, and underdosage. Is it good?
Yes.
Do you think it's good?
Yes.
Okay. So actually, we have a visual simulation for this product. But before I even talk about that, let me tell you that our product is so good that even the capsule itself, okay, is called V-Caps or vegetarian capsule. It is 5 times faster. Disintegrate up to 5 times faster than other leading brands. So that's why when you take it in just about 15 or even less, 15 minutes or even less, it actually goes to your bloodstream and circulatory system. Okay? So that's why our products, among all other leading products, this is known to have the best absorption rate, as we call it. Okay? So, these are all the contents, the vitamins, okay, of the Complete. The fruits that we use, all the vegetables, amino acids, mushrooms, omega fatty acid, green food, citrus, even digestive enzymes. Before I even go further, I would just like to clear out that our product, especially Complete, is not actually a medicine. It's not actually a drug. So it cannot replace the medicine you're taking. But why do we have some medical claims? Or there are people who got better, got well by taking our products. If in fact our product is medicine, why does it kill people? Our body is created in such a way that it has its own capacity to heal itself. So the body has its own capacity to heal itself. Unfortunately, with the kind of lifestyle that we have, especially stress, we do not eat enough nutritious foods. Our body, the function of our body to defend itself against these diseases, it can no longer be, it can never perform that function anymore. So that's why what the Complete does, like this supplement do, is that when you take it, it actually nourishes your body, such that the body, when it is well nourished, it can function very well. It can, boost your immune system, defend you against any carcinogen or free radicals for that matter. So that's why our products, initially, when you take it, you won't feel anything. Then again, upon taking continuously, you will feel that you're getting better, or you're getting stronger, you're getting energized, more energized. So at this time, I would like to show you a visual simulation of what actually happens in our body whenever we take our product Complete. So I have here a glass of water, okay, just to represent our system as in babies. Babies are known to have the cleanest system known to men because babies, you know how clean they are. Their system so efficient. Whenever they eat, after a few minutes, they poop. Do you know this? Babies are like that. Whenever they eat, after a while, they pass motion. But us, as we age, whenever you eat, when do you pass that motion? When do you have that bowel movement after you eat? Probably after few days. Some people after 1 week. You just imagine 1 week. Because their system is not that clean or efficient anymore. So let me represent this as your body, very clean, a baby. But as time goes by, we eat, junk foods, we're exposed to a lot of fast foods, we eat a lot of, foods with no nutrition at all. So let me represent the toxin that comes inside your body as this povidone iodine. You know this povidone iodine? This one, okay? It's betadine. Normally, where do you use this? For wounds, bruises, etc. Can I drink this?
No.
Who wants to drink this? Okay, so probably after you drink this, there will be a bubble or bubbles in your mouth afterwards because you'll be intoxicated. So let me represent this as toxin going inside your body, those smokes, pollutions, free radicals, preservatives, anything that goes into your body that tries to attack the whole system itself. So, comes from smoke, pollution, preservatives, junk foods, etc. Now, if your system looks like this, do you think you're still healthy? Do you think you're still healthy if your body or your system looks like this? No, not anymore. So some people, they will say, well, George, I know what is cleansing, but I will just drink a lot of water so that I will cleanse my whole system. Water is good, but it does not actually cleanse your whole system. Because even if I put some water here, okay, still the same. Okay, nothing happened. Now, we get a capsule of our complete, okay, and try to dilute some of it, not the whole capsule, in our solution, and see what's going to happen. Okay? Okay, we just put some, powder inside from the inside of our capsule, and you will see that there's something happening there. Okay. Okay. When you clap your hands, of course, it's hard to perform magic.